In this video, we're going to replace the driver's side lower bumper molding, located right here in the middle of the lower grille. Underneath, we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool, and we're going to pop out this plastic clip right here. Set that aside. The bottom here, we're going to go ahead and remove these bolts here. These are 1/2 inch. I'm going to use our 10mm socket and remove these screws. Go ahead and slide the splash shield out and sort of set it aside. Here's our 1/2 inch socket, remove this screw. Using our 10mm socket, remove these screws. And go ahead and remove that splash shield, set it aside. On the back side here, we're going to go ahead and twist the bulb, pop that out, and let that hang. Right up on the top here, there's a small Phillips head screw. We're going to use a small stubby screwdriver, loosen that screw and remove it. I'm just going to go ahead and use our screwdriver from the side here. I'm going to use our pocket screwdriver. I'm going to go around the perimeter here, and these little plastic tabs. I'm going to push in, and we're going to continue to do this around the perimeter. Once we have those 2 screws out, we can go ahead and release these little clips in the back. Pull that unit out. Let's remove our small Phillips head screw from the end of the chrome trim. Use our pocket screwdriver, and we're just going to release the little plastic clips here, pushing that through the front side. Continue this until the bezel is out. And take your trim, line this up. Push it through. You can hear the little plastic tabs locking into place. Once those are in place, go ahead and install the screw on the end. Once that screw bottoms out, just a little bit more just to lock that in. Installing our lower component here, we want to press these tabs into the bumper. And install our lower screw here. Get that screw started up top here. And we'll get that snug. And let's go ahead and repeat for the other side. Let's go ahead and install our passenger side splash shield here. And get this screw just spun up hand tight to hold that. Let's go ahead and line this up here. Get our middle screw started here. snug down the bigger bolts first. We were missing one of our clips here, so we're going to replace it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.